Hi, Santa.
Hello, Santa Claus.
Hi, Santa Claus.
Hey, Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Hello, Santa.
Hi, Santa. I really want a Minnie Mouse kitchen, and I also really want a Pixie Bell.
I want my Batman 4 to have 2 Sonic boosters, and I want to speed like this.
This year for Christmas, I want Robux for Roblox.
The thing I really want is Warcraft's Creature Power Discs.
You want to tell Santa anything else? Is that it?
I want roller skates because we're roller skating in gym at my school.
Hi. What I really want most for Christmas is a toy puppy and a toy dinosaur and a little Lego set. What I really want for Christmas is new makeup to put in my makeup bag. A toy train, a fire truck,
Yeah?
and a dog. This year for Christmas, what I really want is some new LOL dolls. The gifts I want the most is a hoverboard with stand on is pink and the wheels are rainbow, and I want a scooter and a skateboard.
This year, I would like to have peace in the world.
You win.
I will be waiting in my bed, sleeping, and we will have fresh baked cookies and milk so you could drink and eat.
The number one thing I want on my wish list is the LOL Amazing Surprise. Hi Santa, can I please have a OMG doll LOL house? Please, thank you. I want it in all of the stars. I can't wait till Christmas. Bye.
Have a jolly time in the North Pole. Bye!
Thank you. Am I done? Bye, Santa. Bye, Santa Claus.
Bye, Santa.
Bye. Hug.